Creating a cozy home environment is an aspiration for many, as it fosters feelings of comfort, security, and warmth. The role of wood furniture and wood decor pieces in achieving this atmosphere is significant and multifaceted. Wood, as a natural material, brings unique qualities that enhance the aesthetic and emotional appeal of living spaces. The warmth, texture, and versatility of wood contribute to a sense of coziness that can transform a house into a welcoming home. One of the primary attributes of wood that contributes to a cozy environment is its warmth. Unlike cold and sterile materials such as metal or glass, wood exudes a natural warmth that immediately makes a space feel more inviting. This warmth can be both tactile and visual. The texture of wood encourages touch, while the rich tones and grains add depth and character to a room. When individuals enter a space filled with wooden elements, they often experience an immediate emotional response that enhances their sense of comfort. This warmth is particularly important in areas of the home where people gather, such as living rooms and dining areas, where the ambience can significantly impact interactions and experiences. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas for a cozy home aesthetic. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The aesthetic appeal of wood furniture and decor is another crucial aspect of creating a cozy home. Wood possesses a unique beauty that varies from piece to piece, showcasing the natural imperfections and variations inherent in the material. Whether it's the intricate grain patterns, the knots, or the subtle color variations, each wooden item tells its own story. This individuality adds a layer of authenticity to a space, making it feel lived in and genuine. When wood decor pieces are thoughtfully incorporated into a home, they can create a harmonious and visually pleasing environment that resonates with warmth and comfort. Moreover, the versatility of wood allows it to complement various design styles, from rustic to modern, enabling homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their personal tastes. In a cozy home, this versatility is essential, as it allows for the creation of an inviting atmosphere that aligns with individual aesthetics. For instance, reclaimed wood furniture can evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection to nature, while sleek, contemporary wood designs can promote a minimalist yet warm environment. This adaptability ensures that wood can be integrated into any space, enhancing the overall coziness of the home. The emotional connection that people have with wood furniture and decor is another significant factor in creating a cozy environment. Many individuals associate wood with memories and experiences, whether it's a family heirloom or a piece that has been carefully chosen to reflect personal style. These connections can imbue a space with sentimental value, making it feel more intimate and comforting. When people surround themselves with objects that hold personal significance, it fosters a sense of belonging and security that is essential for creating a cozy home. Functionality also plays a vital role in the cozy atmosphere of a home, and wood furniture often excels in this regard. Well-designed wooden pieces are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, providing essential functions that support everyday life. For example, a sturdy wooden table can serve as a gathering place for family meals, fostering connection and togetherness. The functionality of wood furniture enhances the overall comfort of a space, making it easier for individuals to engage in activities that bring them joy and relaxation. This practical aspect is particularly important in creating a cozy environment, as it allows for seamless interactions and experiences within the home. In addition to functionality, wood furniture can facilitate better organization and decluttering, which are essential for maintaining a cozy atmosphere. Many wooden decor pieces are designed with storage solutions that help keep spaces tidy and organized. By providing designated areas for items, wood furniture can reduce clutter and create a more serene environment. A tidy space fosters calmness and clarity, allowing individuals to focus on what truly matters. This sense of order can significantly enhance the overall comfort of a home, making it a more enjoyable place to be. The psychological benefits of incorporating wood into home decor cannot be overlooked. Research suggests that natural materials, including wood, can have a positive impact on mental well-being. The presence of wood in a space can evoke feelings of tranquility and relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety. This connection to nature has been linked to improved mood and overall mental health. By incorporating wood furniture and decor into their homes, individuals can create environments that support emotional well-being, fostering a sense of peace and contentment. Furthermore, the sensory experience provided by wood furniture and decor contributes to a cozy atmosphere. The texture of wood, its warmth, and even its scent can create an immersive experience that engages the senses. This sensory engagement can significantly enhance the comfort of a living space. When individuals interact with their surroundings, the tactile qualities of wood can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity. This connection to the physical environment deepens the emotional resonance of a space, making it feel more like home. The connection between wood decor and the natural world is another vital aspect that enhances the coziness of a home. Wood is a material that evokes a sense of nature and the outdoors, reminding individuals of the beauty and serenity found in natural settings. Incorporating wooden elements into home decor can create a sense of harmony with the environment, promoting feelings of peace and tranquility. This connection to nature is essential for cultivating a cozy atmosphere, as it encourages individuals to slow down and appreciate their surroundings. In addition to its aesthetic and emotional qualities, wood furniture often carries cultural significance that can enhance the coziness of a home. Many cultures have rich traditions of woodworking, celebrating the artistry and craftsmanship involved in creating wooden pieces. By incorporating culturally significant wooden decor into their homes, individuals can connect with these traditions and appreciate the stories behind the pieces they choose. This connection to culture can add depth to a living space, enriching the overall experience of being at home. The emotional attachment individuals develop with their wood furniture and decor is another important factor in creating a cozy environment. Heirloom pieces or furniture that holds sentimental value often become cherished items within a home. These pieces carry memories and stories that contribute to the emotional landscape of a space. The presence of beloved wooden furniture can evoke feelings of nostalgia and belonging, creating a comforting atmosphere. This emotional resonance reinforces the idea that home is not just a physical space, but a reflection of identity and personal history. Moreover, wood furniture can facilitate social interactions and foster a sense of community within a home. Gathering around a wooden dining table, for example, creates an inviting atmosphere for family meals and celebrations. The communal experience of sharing food and conversation is enhanced by the warmth and character of wood decor. This social aspect is essential for building relationships and creating a sense of belonging, both within families and among friends. A cozy home that encourages social interactions can significantly enhance one's quality of life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas for a cozy home aesthetic. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.